Here's some unexpected discoveries trivia. Subscribe. What rare dinosaur species was discovered in Argentina in 2014? Is it A, Giganotosaurus, B, Meraxes gigas, C, Argentinosaurus, or D, Therizinosaurus? The correct answer is B, Meraxes gigas. What was discovered in the 2012 silent film Restore? Is it A, original footage, B, lost scripts, C, new soundtrack, or D, vintage cameras? The correct answer is A, original footage. What unexpected item did Herculaneum preserve during the eruption of Vesuvius? Is it A, ancient papyrus, B, gold coins, C, wooden statues, or D, pottery shards? The correct answer is A, ancient papyrus. Which 1947 event unveiled the Dead Sea Scrolls? Is it A, Masada excavation, B, Rosetta Stone, C, Qumran caves, or D, Egypt pyramids? The correct answer is C, Qumran caves. What unexpected discovery did Howard Carter make in 1922? Is it A, ancient scrolls, B, mummy cart, C, golden burial mask, or D, pharaoh's scepter? The correct answer is C, golden burial mask. What mineral was discovered in the Earth's mantle? Is it A, basalt, B, granite, C, silicate perovskite, or D, quartz? The correct answer is C, silicate perovskite. What element was isolated from pitchblende in 1896? Is it A, radium, B, uranium, C, polonium, or D, thallium? The correct answer is A, radium. What unexpected findings surfaced during the excavation of Pompeii? Is it A, ancient scrolls, B, graffiti, C, gold coins, or D, mosaic artwork? The correct answer is B, graffiti. What instrument was rediscovered in King Tut's tomb? Is it A, drums, B, harps, C, flutes, or D, lutes? The correct answer is B, harps. What bacterial species was discovered in Antarctic ice? Is it A, Bacillus subtilis, B, Escherichia coli, C, Psychrobacter, or D, Staphylococcus aureus? The correct answer is C, Psychrobacter. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.